That's that horrible piano sound. I absolutely hated that. It was all the rage in the 1980s, and for me it was... What happened was I was talking to the guys at Korg, and I'd said that I was never ever a fan of FM synthesis. In fact, I've owned two DX7s, the original one and the Mark II version, which had a floppy disk. If you ask me now, I have no idea why I bought them, because I found them completely impenetrable as far as programming was concerned. I can basically say what I like about it. It would help if I plugged it in. My initial thoughts were, why would I be interested in that? It's FM. I don't know any of the controls. It was incomprehensible gobbledygook to me. This is probably more than 10 minutes, isn't it? It's just like a click.